Is your DJI Pocket camera not connecting to the Android phone? This usually happens because of outdated firmware, an incompatible phone, or missing app permissions. But don't worry, in this video I'll show you how to solve the connection problem between your Pocket 3, 2, or 1 and your Android phone. So let's get started. Before doing anything else, make sure to turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on your Android phone, and your phone is compatible for this DJI device. If still you are facing the issue, then follow my next solutions. Solution 1. Check DJI Mimo app. Make sure you've installed the official DJI Mimo application. To do that, open up any browser, then search DJI Mimo app download. Next, tap on DJI Mimo App Center. Then tap Download Android APK. Now download and install this app. Now try to connect camera with your phone using this app. If you're still facing the same issue, then follow the next solution. Solution 2. Allow phone permissions. Go to the Settings app on your phone. Then find the Apps option. Tap on it, then find the DJI Mimo app. Next, tap on Permission. Now here, make sure that Nearby device is allowed. Solution 3. Clear cache. Press and hold on the app from the home screen. Then tap on the eye icon or app info. Next, scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on Storage. Then tap Clear Cache. Hope your DJI Pocket camera will connect with your Android phone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.